Welcome to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where we're exploring the Hank Aaron Trail through Three Bridges Park. We parked at the Mitchell Street Domes, where parking is free, and Three Bridges Park does not charge an admission fee. The park is named for its three bridges, the Potawatomi Bridge, the Menomonee Bridge, and the Silver City Bridge, two of which cross the Menomonee River.
Park, American Family Field.
Three Bridges Park is a great place to go for a walk, run, bike ride, or picnic. It's also a great place to learn about the history of Milwaukee and the Menomonee River Valley. This is a historic industrial area that is now being transformed into a green space. Once a wild rice marsh, then a rail yard, and then a vacant lot, the park opened after much hard work in 2013. The park also offers canoe and kayak launches and access to the river for fishing. There are 42 of these community gardens located throughout the park. For being in the middle of an urban area, there's a surprising amount of wildlife in the park. Raven was pretty excited to spot a deer.
You're okay, honey. It's kind of nice. I mean, when you think of it, just how industrial it was here, it's nice to see some of this coming back. Yeah.
It was quite warm when we visited, so we elected to stay on the south side of the river. All total, there are about 2 miles of trails throughout prairies, woodlands, and wetland environments. The park isn't visible from the street, and there are 4 places where it's possible to park. I'll link the park's website with a map and parking locations in the description. Good girl.
Good girl.